Yo, hey, what up guys, it's your boy Rango back at it again with another video. And today's video is going to be a small video, but before the video starts, I want to let you guys know that I'm going to be playing with subscribers more often. Maybe you guys can get an opportunity to be on here on YouTube. So I appreciate it if you guys leave your username down below, your in-game down below, for me to add you guys. So alright guys, peace out, and I hope you guys like this small video I made for you guys. Squad up.
You little nigga, my check bigger, can't flex nigga, can't bet with you, teach you how to be a boss, top dropped off, mother the fame.
Hey, what up guys, this is Rango, and before the video is finished, I just want to thank everybody for the support. I also wanted to let you guys know that I know this is a short video, but in the future we'll be coming with bigger content. I'll just wait on it, and appreciate it guys. Comment down below, subscribe, and share. Lates.